What's up everyone? My name is Randolph EY and this is my channel vermilletechsandgadgets, and today I'm gonna share to you another review of my channel. And also this is new. This is new to me, and I think I have already of this, and now I buy new. I buy again another one. So this is cheaper than the original action cameras, and this is what I buy. This the new sports HDDV action camera. So the brand of this is generic plus, but they just put it sports HDDV, high definition. So I don't know what is the DV. So let's check it out, and let's unbox and review. So start up with this. We have the action camera. So here guys, this is the action camera. So in here is the helmet mount for bicycle, road bike or mountain bike, and also there's the releasing of it, and we're just gonna take it out, the actual camera. So this is the actual camera of it guys, and love it. It's good, but this is my action camera for that I use, but I buy a new one. Just comparison, nothing. It still has the like that power, and then the front, the back, and also in here no changes of the comparison, and also still have the up and down rocker, and also the battery case over here. So there's no difference. There's no difference of the comparison of it. So let's check the other items in accessories. So still have this manual guide. I have this. I have many of this. So then, and also I have a 3M water band. This is the 3M bandage, and also got some like this. I don't know what is this, but it's used for mounting in bicycle. USB cord for charging and connecting it to your laptop. Non-housing for the camera, action camera. The another for the helmet, in your handlebar, so you can put this in your bike handlebar, this one. And another one of this, and the last one is this. So this is a strap with it. This is the strap which you can put it in your bike helmet, even if you're mountain biking or road biking, or bike touring or bike packing. So this is what we're gonna use. Put it in your helmet like this guys. So I'm gonna show you this. So this is guys. So this is how I put the strap of this is how you're gonna put the straps in here in the bike, in your bike helmet. So this in here is the expanded for the strap. So that's it guys, and so let's move forward to the review. So I'm gonna review. So there's an image sensor of a 12 megapixels CMOS sensor And it also has a three colors of a black, white, and gold. 1.5 inches and 2.0 inches LCD screen. And also they have the 12 megapixels, 10 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, 3 MP, and VGA also in a 1.3 M. The video resolution of this is 1920 by 1080 30 FPS, and also has a 1280 by 720 FPS, 848 by 480 60 FPS, and also 640 by 480 60 FPS. Video compression format H24, H264, and also there's a default restoration of video, which has the 1080 pixels picture of 4032 by 3024. Video format, movie and image format, the JPG, 4 times zoom, 1070 HD wide angle lens, and also has a slot of a 32 GB, and USB 2.0, and also there's an HDMI. Oh, I really, really HDMI, but there's no HDMI slot. Only the micro USB slot that I see. I think uh, this is this is not the this is not the this is not the box. This is not the box. So I'm just gonna, I think. But so when I see the uh, specs inside the screen, yes, all of this is in here. So I think only the connections of this is USB 2.0. There's also a battery life of by 70 minutes by 1080 pixels. Battery detachable of 900 milliampere hours, and the dimensions of it is 829.8 by 59.2 by 41 millimeters. And also the weight of it without batteries 44 grams. So with batteries is 58 grams. So the accessories you can see, and then applications, and then additional features can be used for dash camera. Oh yes, dash camera. So home security use, and including waterproof casing in multiple modes, supports 1080 HD videos at 170 wide angle and 12 megapixels still shots. So it's good for car recorder. It's good for car recorder over here, and outdoor sports, cycling, marine sports, diving, and home security. So you can still use this action camera for home security. So I so this is it, guys. This is the review of the generic plus action sports camera, and this is the box. So you can see 1080 pixels, H24 full HD. There's the color of it. You can see the color, and then the box in here, so you can see some guys, and then the specs of it. Also there's the specs, and also mountain climbing. Yes, you can see there's a mountain climbing, and also for ice skiing. So guys, that was the review of this generic plus action sports camera, and I hope you enjoy watching, and also please support my channel vermilletechsandgadgets, so that I can gain more subscribers in the near future. And please also click the notification bell, so that you will notify all of my upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. This is the vermilletechsandgadgets. So ito yung action camera na walang housing. So try natin kung ano ba talaga siya. Kung maka-pick up pa siya ng audio voice. So this is the second video which is meron siyang housing. So ayun, second model yung black na aso namin. Come here. So let's check kung okay pa rin ba yung voice recording niya. Malakas pa siya na pick up ng audio voice. Ano ba? Actually malinaw siya. Actually malinaw ay ko kapag na-take na ko sa laptop. In fairness, okay siya. Come here. Over here, Scott. Okay. So, test lang ito sa video at saka sa voice recording niya kung okay ba siya housing or without housing.